Hello everyone, in this video we would like to show you guys how you can add the number row on the keyboard on this Lenovo Legion smartphone. So in order to start, let me just go ahead and open up Settings app. Here we will be aiming for General Settings. In General Settings, choose Languages and Input, and here tap on Virtual Keyboard. At the virtual keyboard, choose the keyboard that you use. In our case, and as per default settings, it is going to be the keyboard. Here, just go to Preferences and enable the number row. So that's how the keyboard looks without the number rows. And if I'll go ahead and enable this option, that's how the keyboard will look with it. As you can see, the number row, this number bar has appeared on top of the characters keyboard. So that was pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.